Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make sardine dip. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. I appreciate you being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making sardine dip. So let's head down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We got 2 cans of sardines, we got 2 cups of cream cheese, 1 shallot that I've minced up, got the juice of 1 lemon, a little chopped parsley, and some salt and pepper to taste. The first thing I want to talk about is a little bit about sardines. These are, the ones I've got here in the picture, are a pretty good brand. I got them at Costco. They had them on sale. My wife got a box of them. They came like a box of 10. They're a little bit higher quality than what you're going to find in the dollar store. This is the Chicken of the Sea brand. I'm not talking about quality. I'm just talking about, you know, the price comparison, price point of it all. These are from the dollar store. You can get the Louisiana hot sauce ones, sardines in oil and smoked. You can get sardines that are just in water, and you can get the Mediterranean brand too. They've got olives and things like that in them too. Now, these are a great source of protein and also a great way to get your fish oil that you need. So, but I just wanted to try a different brand because I've been eating nothing but dollar store ones since I started eating sardines. But these are pretty good. They're a little bit bigger and a little bit meatier, but you'll see them when we open them up to make our dip here. But sardines are really good. I know they get a bad name because everybody goes, ew, they're fishy. Actually, they're not. If you ever tried them, eat them right out of the can. They're not that bad on crackers or whatever. I've got a couple sardine shows, actually. I'll put the playlist right up here, and you can watch those. Very good product, very good food. It's not going to hurt you, and it's not fishy. So just want to clear that up. I think I'm seeing a lot of stuff now this year, too, in 2024 about sardines and the health benefits and the different recipes and all that too. So hopefully I'm on the right bandwagon on that one. I've been pushing sardines for years. Anyway, to our dip. Let's go ahead and start out here, and let's start mixing it up. All right, need a big enough bowl for all your ingredients. We got a couple cups here of the cream cheese and the sardines. I want to make sure I got a big enough bowl. Anyway, go ahead and add your cream cheese. I got the whipped cream cheese. They're a little fluffier, better dip. You don't have to wait for it to soften up to use either. And it actually spreads and whips better, mixes up better than your normal cream cheese. All right, we got the cream cheese in there. We're gonna go ahead and throw our shallots and our parsley in. And go ahead and take this out. And we'll go ahead and whip it up here. Then we got our sardines, as you can see. Let me just, these are bigger, they're meatier. If I can grab one out of here for breaking it off there. These are huge, huge sardines. And they just fall apart, the bones and all, everything in there is bones and all are good. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw the juice in here too. Be not afraid. These are wonderful, wonderful, delicious fish. I'm going to get a spoon. You can do this in a mixing bowl if you want, but why go to all that when you can just do it by hand? Alright, we'll go ahead and mix this up. The sardines will just break up and spread out throughout all this. Now let's add our salt and pepper. Normally when I'm seasoning to taste food with salt and pepper, it's about a 1/4 teaspoon of each salt and black pepper. It's a nice ratio. Kind of looks like tuna salad. Alright, this is what you're going to have here. Now what we're going to do now is I'm going to put it in a dish, put some bread slices, little toasties over by it. Take some pictures of that, throw some music in there. You can listen to that while you're looking at these wonderful pictures. Then we're gonna come back, we're gonna give it a taste. Don't go away. All right, beautiful pictures, wonderful music. Now comes my favorite part, the tasting. There it is on that bread, right here. Oh. Cream cheese, always good. That fish, the sardines in there do not make it fishy. It gives it a nice savoriness to it. Those shallots are really strong, those ones that I threw in there. You get a little bite from those. You get that sardines just meld right into this. Yeah, a little bit of crispy. And that's from those shallots. This is just really good. Great dip. You don't even know there's sardines in there. There's no fishy taste at all to it. The acidity of that lemon cuts into that creaminess of the cream cheese. Yeah, this is really good. Really good. I'm going to finish the rest of these toast points. I'm glad you watched. Thanks a lot for watching. If you're a sardine fan, share this with everybody you know. Let them know how sardines are. This is a wonderful dip. Thanks a lot for watching. Remember that recipe is down in the description box of the first pinned comment. So go there, get this recipe. You'll want to make this as soon as you can. Remember, dollar store has sardines. Bye-bye. Thanks a lot for watching.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.